Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can write a text on a piece in CATIA, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, then mechanical design, then part design, then you enable the ember design and create a geometrical set options, okay? Then you click on OK. Next you click on the XY plan, then sketch. Okay, then you go to the rectangle, then center it rectangle. We're gonna draw a rectangle like this, starting from the point of the axis, like this. Then we're gonna go to the constraint. We are going to add a dimension of 100 millimeter here. Then the same thing here, 100 millimeter. Okay, so here 100 millimeter and here 100 millimeter. Then you exit the workbench. We are going to create a pad of 20 millimeters. The current in work object isn't in a body. The new solid feature is created after the last feature of the part body. So the new extrusion, you will find it under the part body, okay? Here, not here, here. Then you click on OK, then OK, like this. So the sketch under the geometrical set, and this solid part, you will find it under the part body, okay? Great. The next step will be going to start, then mechanical design, then drafting. Then you choose this option, okay? Empty sheet. Then you click on OK. Then you go to a command called text. You click on it, then you click on this window. Here you can add the text that you want. In my case, I'm gonna write the Solving Engineer. Then I'm gonna click on OK. You can change the position of the text like this. You can change the size of the text from 3.5 to, let's say, 5 millimeter. You can change also the font of the text, okay? Now I'm gonna go to File, then Save As. Then I'm gonna choose the DWG file format. Then you click on Save. Then you close this window. No. Then you come back to the piece. You select the top face of the part, then sketch. Now you go to File, then Open. Then you go and click on the DWG file, then Open. You select all the text, right click, copy. You come back to the piece, right click on the sketch 2, then you click on paste. Then you click on the fit all in. Then as you can see here on the screen, this is the text. We're gonna change the position of the text on the piece like this. Then we exit the workbench, okay? Then we are going to use the pad command and add 1 millimeter as a value for the length. And as you can see on the screen, this is how you can write a text on a piece using the part design and drafting workbenches. Okay? Thanks for watching.